For the first time, we're finally seeing a real hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And this isn't a concept, a render, or another rumor. It's the actual device being held and used in a real-world environment. That alone makes this moment feel different. The video gives us a close look at the design without dramatic lighting or heavy edits, and the finish looks undeniably premium. The camera setup appears bold and confident, while the overall presence truly feels worthy of the Ultra name. After weeks of leaks and speculation, seeing the Galaxy S26 Ultra in a genuine hands-on video completely changes the conversation. The hype now feels real, and if this design is final, Samsung's next flagship is already stealing the spotlight ahead of its official reveal. Let's watch the full video.